Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your laptop to Ubantu operating system. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. So guys, at first you have to check the description of this video, and there you will find a link. Click on the link uh, and open it with your browser. I'm opening it. You have to open like this. From this page, you have to wait 5 seconds. Now click on this skip ad button on the right corner. Skip on this. Here, click on this download now, or it will start automatically downloading. So guys, here you can see it has started downloading. The file is about 2.3 GB and it will take up to 3 hours. So the server is too fast, or it will download rapidly. So after downloading this file, you have to install it. So if you do not know how to install, you can check the description box. There you will find a link how to install it. So that's all guys. Enjoy the update and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thanks for watching guys.